Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you all are fine and doing great. Today we are going to start our new Oxford Primary Science of Level 1. So first open your workbook and open your planner. Students, mention date and day on the first 2 points of week 1, that is the unit number 1, human body, model reading of chapter number 1, and point 2, part A and B on workbook page number 1 and 2. Dear students, open your workbook page number 2. Here we are going to start a unit number 1, the human body. Okay, so these are some recall points that you learned in the previous class, that your body consists of number of parts and each part has its own job. Okay, so I am going to start a reading of unit number 1. So do reading with me. When you look in a mirror, you see your body. जब भी आप शीशे में देखते हो तो आपको क्या नज़र आता है? आपकी बॉडी नज़र आती है. Your body is made up of many parts. Your body is made up of many parts and each part of your body has a name. As your body consists of number of parts and each part of your body has its own name. Okay, आपके हर body part का कोई ना कोई name होता है. For example, in this picture you see that this is a picture of a boy and we are going to read his parts, as this is his eye, cheek, chin, nose, mouth, chest, stomach, thumb, finger, and the point from here to here is arm, thumb, knee, toe. Okay, so look at this picture. This is the back side of the boy and these are his hair, neck, shoulder, elbow, and this part of his body is called his back, and these are his hand, leg, foot. Okay, student, move to the page number 3. Each part has a job to do, as your body consists of many parts and each part of your body has a job to do. Okay, look at this picture. This is a picture of a girl and she's eating ice cream. Okay, we use our mouths to eat and speak, so the girl use his mouth to eat ice cream. So we use our mouth to eat and speak. हम अपने मुंह को किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? खाने और बोलने के लिए. ओके, ईट मीन खाना, स्पीक मीन बोलना. In the next picture you see a boy and the boy is painting and he is holding a painting brush in his hand. We use hands to hold things. We use our hands to hold things. So in the next picture the boy is running or maybe walking. We use our feet to run, walk or move. We use our feet. हम अपने feet को use करते हैं moving के लिए, walking or running. Okay. So next topic here is we all are human beings. We all are human beings. Human beings mean इंसान. Boys, girls, man, woman and babies are called human beings. Human beings में कौन कौन आ जाता है? Boys, girls, man, woman and babies. And our bodies work in the same way. हमारी बॉडी बिल्कुल सेम वे में वर्क करती है, बट वी ऑल लुक डिफरेंट. लेकिन हम सब एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट दिखते हैं, एज वी हैव डिफरेंट हाइट, वी हैव डिफरेंट हेयर कलर, वी हैव डिफरेंट स्किल कलर. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ डिफरेंट फीचर्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी वी लुक डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. ओके, हम सब एक दूसरे से डिफरेंट दिखते हैं. Students, here we have got an activity for you and this is a concept check. Talk about the people in the picture. Write how they are different from each other. Students, you have simply discussed this question with your family members, that why these people look different from each other. Okay. Students, if you turn to the page number 4, here we have got a topic, living things. Living things किसे कहते हैं? जानदार चीज़ों को. So living things में कौन कौन आ जाता है? Human beings, plants and animals. Human beings, plants and animals are all living things. Human beings, plants और animals क्या हैं? Living things हैं. All living things need air to breath. Breath means सांस लेना. All living things need air to breath. तमाम living things को, जानदार चीज़ों को सांस लेने के लिए क्या चाहिए? हवा चाहिए, air. Okay. All living things need food and water to stay alive. All living things need food and water to stay alive. Stay alive mean जिंदा रहने के लिए उन्हें क्या चाहिए? Food and water. And to grow, और बढ़ने के लिए भी उन्हें food और water चाहिए. Students, here we have got a heading of discuss and discuss and answer. First, you have to discuss this picture with your family members or friends and then answer. So, the question is, how many living things can you see in this picture? That you have to simply tell that how many living things you see in this picture as living thing. You tell, we read that human beings, plants and animals are included in living things. So, human beings, plants and animals or all living thing. You have to simply encircle the living thing and then count them. Okay. Then we have got a new heading of a growing up. Growing up. Growing up means बढ़ना. Only living things grow. Only living things grow. कौन grow कर सकता है? सिर्फ living things. Okay. Non-living things cannot grow. अब for example, a baby girl grows up to be a woman. Baby girl grow करके क्या बनेगी? Woman. And a baby boy grows up to be a man. And when a baby boy grows, he becomes a man. For example, a boy grows up to be a man, and a baby girl grows up to be a woman. So students, move to the next page number. Plants and animals also grow. Okay, plants and animals are also included in living things, so they can also grow. Tiny plants grows into large plants or trees. Tiny plants grows into a large plant in trees. Baby animals grows and become adult animal. As baby animal grows and become an adult animal. Okay. The next topic here is, why do living things need food? Why do living things need food? Living things को food क्यों चाहिए होता है? All living things, अब all living things जिनमें कौन आ जाता है? Like plants, animals and human beings need food to stay alive. जितने भी living things हैं जिनमें क्या आ जाते हैं? Plants, animals and human beings. उन्हें क्यों food चाहिए होता है? Need food to stay alive. जिंदा रहने के लिए उन्हें food चाहिए होता है. Food help us to grow. Food also help us to grow. हमें growth में help करता है food. It gives us energy. हमें क्या देता है? Energy देता है. It gives us energy, so it helps us to grow. Plants make their own food, as plants are the living things that can make their own food. Plants अपना food खुद तैयार कर सकते हैं. Some animals eat plants, as some animals feed on plants. For example, जिनमें कौन आ जाता है? जिनमें आ जाते हैं rabbit, horse, goat, and some animals eat on other animals. और कुछ animals किस पर eat करते हैं? किसको खाते हैं? दूसरे एनिमल्स को खाते हैं. जिसकी एग्जाम्पल में क्या आ जाता है? टाइगर, लाइन, ह्यूमन बींग्स. अब ह्यूमन बींग्स की बात आ जाती है कि ह्यूमन बींग्स किस पे फीड करते हैं, क्या खाते हैं? ह्यूमन बींग्स ईट फूड दैट कम्स फ्रॉम बोथ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल. दैट कम फ्रॉम बोथ प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल. बोथ मीन दोनों. ह्यूमन बींग्स ऐसा फूड खाते हैं जो प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स दोनों से आते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर you see a different kinds of food items. Here, first one is apple, spinach, tomatoes, carrot, chicken, mutton, beef. Okay, apple, we get apple from animal or plant? From plant. We get also spinach from plant, tomatoes from plant, carrot from plant. So we get these food items from plant, and we get chicken, mutton and beef from animals. Okay. Students, again it's an activity time. Here we have got a concept set. Which food do you like? Okay, which food do you like? Make a list of food you usually eat at home. Okay, you simply have to make a list of food items that you eat at home. Can you sort them into two groups? Then you have to sort these food items into two groups. Which one are from animals and which one from plants? तो आपने सिंपली क्या करना है? आपने अपने फेवरेट फूड आइटम्स की एक लिस्ट बना लेनी है. फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे ये लिस्ट बनी हुई है, लिस्ट बना लेनी है. देन उनको आपने दो ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर देना है. एक ग्रुप में वो फूड आइटम्स रखने हैं जो आप प्लांट से लेते हो, एंड इन द सेकेंड ग्रुप आपने वो फूड आइटम्स रखते हैं जो आप एनिमल से रखते हैं. ओके. In this unit, number 1, we have read a parts of our body. Students, on page number 3, we have read that we all look different from each other. On the page number 4, we have read about living things and growing up. And on page number 5, we have read about different food items and read that why do living things need food. Dear students, open your workbook, page number 1. First mention date and day here. Unit number 1, the human body. Question A, draw a line to match each word to the part of body. Okay, so here we have given different parts of body, name of different parts of body, and you have to match these words with that part of body. Okay, simply you have to match these words with the parts of body. For example, this part is his ear, nose, ear, eye, neck, chest, wrist, hand, knee, feet. And this is his ankle, head, eyebrow, mouth, chin, shoulder, and this center part of his arm is called elbow. This is his arm, belly, leg, and ankle. So we have done the page number 1. Students, move to the page number 2. Mention date and day. Question B, complete the following information about body part. Okay, here are different parts of body are given here. You see these pictures, and in this area or in these boxes you have to tell that how many body parts do you have, and in this portion you have to circle or tick the correct option. The first one body part here is hand. Okay, how many hands do you have? We have 2 hands. We have 2 hands. How many nose do you have? We have 1 nose. Eye. How many eyes do you have? We have 2 eyes. Ear. How many ear do you have? We have 2 ear. Okay, students? So here, what can I do with it? Okay, circle the right option. So from these body parts, what you can do? You can jump from your hand? No. You can clap from your hand? Yes, we can clap from our hand. We can write a poem with our hand? Yes, we can also write a poem with our hand. And the option, watch cartoon. We can watch cartoon with our hand? No. So we can clap and we can write with our hands. And encircle the option B and C. Next one is nose. So what you can do with your nose? You can smile with your nose? No. B, breath. B-R-E-A-T-H-E. You can breathe with your nose? Yes, we can breathe with your nose, with our nose. See, smell the flower. We can also smell the flower with our nose. Sneeze, sneeze means chikna. We can sneeze with our nose. So B, C and D options are correct option. Next part is eye. Eye. So we can watch a cartoon with our eye. Yes, we can watch a cartoon with the help of our eye. B, paint. No, we can paint with the help of our hands. We can laugh. We cannot laugh with the help of our eye. We can laugh with our mouth. D, cough. No. Blink. Blink means झपकना, आंखें झपकाना. So we can also blink with the help of our eye. Last body part here is or ear. Or ear. So what you can do with your ear? You can walk with your ear? No. Be tied here? No. Hear azan? You can hear azan with the help of ear. So option C is the correct option. D, breathe the air. You can breathe here with the help of your ear? No. You can breathe the air with the help of nose.